Hello friends, welcome to sarkarinaukri.asia. This is Preety and today I am going to take some questions based on the same chapter, that is time, speed and distance. The questions based on this chapter are highly in demand, so many of my students have sent me the question based on the same chapter. So I have written 2 questions on the board. That is very important, and these questions are not so tough, but the thing which matters is time. Okay, time management is very important. So let's solve this question. Let's see how much time we're gonna take to solve these 2 questions. The first question is, if a man covers half of the distance at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour and half at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour, what is his average speed? This type of questions I have taught in my video based on average. Okay, so the trick to solve the questions based on average is, first half distance he covered at the speed of 10 and another at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour. It means he goes 2 ways. One is 10 kilometers and another is 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, and in average question, what we used to do? We take the multiple of these 2. What is the multiple of these 2? That is 40. 40 is 10 is 4 times and 40 is 1 times of this. Okay, this is the multiple. This is the multiple of these 2 numbers. Okay, and now he goes 2 ways. One is 10 and another is 40. So what is the next step? Next step will be this 40 into one way and another way, that is 2, and this is 80. Okay, and last step is 80, this 80 by 5. Now you must be thinking that where this 5 comes from. Okay, this is the ratio 4:1. 4:1. This is 5. This is the total. So what is the last step? This 80 by 5, and our answer is 16. This is the average speed. 16 is the average speed, and this is the answer. Okay, I have another way to solve this question. Should I solve this second step here? I'm solving second method. Second method of first question 1. Okay, what is the second method? We have a small formula. What is that? 2 into x into y and x plus y. This is x and this is y. 2 into 10 into 40 and this is 10 plus 40. This will be, when we solve this, what we get? 800, and what is this? 50. When you solve this, you will get 16, and this is the answer. Okay, you can use either this or this. Okay, you will get the same answer. Okay, next question is, a man goes home to office at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, then he returns back home at the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, again he goes to office at the speed of 30 kilometers per hour and then returns home at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, I'm not writing kilometers per hour. Okay, so what is the, again we gonna take multiple of these 4. What is the multiple of these 4? That will be 120. 120 is direct multiple of these 4. Okay, this is 12 times. Okay, 20 is 6 times, this is 4 times, and this is 3 times. 120 is 3 times of 40, 120 is 4 times of 30, 120 is 6 times of 20 and 120 is 12 times of 10. Okay. What is the ratio? Ratio was 12 ratio 6 ratio 4 ratio 3. What is the total? 25. Okay, this is the first step. Second step is 120 into 4. Why we multiply 4? Because he goes 4 ways. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. He goes 4 ways. What we get? 480. And what is the last step? What is the average speed? 480 by 25. This is the last step. And our answer is 19.2. So this is the answer. Okay, so 19.2 is the answer. 19.2 is the average speed. You need to practice hard. You need to focus on the videos. You need to watch all the videos. And if you watch my previous videos based on average, it's gonna be a very simple for you. Okay, so keep watching and thank you so much.